Now that all my holiday crafting is done, I really have a mess in my workstation and I need to clean it up. And my surface has accumulated a bunch of dirt and specks. I know this is a marbled background, but I can tell, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but there's a lot of like little glue spots and so forth. So I'm going to use the best cleaner ever. I'm just going to give it a spritz, and you can just immediately use it and rub it around. I'm going to work it in with my finger. So I'm just going to kind of go over some of these spots, get it to travel around and work a little bit. That way I can feel where it really needs some help getting the dirt off. And you can see that the liquid is definitely picking up dirt from the surface and the adhesive that's all over. So I don't know if you can tell how easy this is working for me, but I am really not putting any elbow grease into getting this cleaned off. So I'm just going to wipe off my hand. It's kind of an oil-based cleaner, so once I wipe that off, my fingers feel really nice. And now just to go over this area here, and that is so much cleaner. Not only that, but it's also conditioned the surface that I work on. And if I lift this up, you can see what all it picked up off of that surface. So it was just that quick and easy. No elbow grease, nothing. If you have a little bit extra something, you could, definitely work into it. Now, this piece that I have here still has the cleaner on it, and so any area that I didn't spray, I can still go into and work those areas and get the tape or adhesive up off my mat. Now I'm working off camera here, but I am definitely getting additional adhesive off of my mat surface, and so it is just so convenient. And once you have it, you will find that you really do have a lot of uses for the best cleaner ever. I can't recommend it any more than this. I am a part of their design team, and I post on their site twice a month with different craft tutorials. And so yeah, this one is just one that I'm going to post right after New Year's. So Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope you get some of the best cleaner ever to clean up. It says here for your hands, your tools, your art stamps, your textiles, barbecue, and more. I mean, you will just come up with more and more ideas of where to use this. I've had this bottle for over probably about a year, and I'm only like halfway down. And I've used it to remove stickers off of cabinets and just all kinds of different things. So really look forward to using this.